welcome to another Polkadoodles video. So today's one is showing you two different cards but using the same chipboard elements, and you can actually do the first step of this multiple times with your same chipboard elements. You'll see in the video that mine started off as green because I had already created this card before, but I hadn't used the elements from it because I knew I wanted to do a video and create this again. So it just goes to show that you can use your chipboard multiple times before you turn it into an embellishment for your card to create some other cards as well. And for this I was using the flowers chipboard from Polkadoodles, and I picked out a few of the beautiful leaf kind of designs in here, and also this gorgeous like allium kind of flower head as well. Really beautiful designs. And the way I was doing this, you'll see in the video, I was actually placing 3 of them down, covering the rest of this card and then spraying with spray inks. If you're interested in the colours, I used fresh lime, cut grass and polished jade from the Dilutions range of spray inks. And then, so when I sprayed the first time, I covered the bottom section of my piece of card. Then once I had sprayed, I then moved all of these leaves to the bottom section of the card, which was still white, and protected the top section with that same piece of scrap card, sprayed again, and then you get a complete background with multiple impressions of the different chipboards, but you actually only had one of each chipboard. So it kind of makes it go a little bit further, and you can also do this repeating 3 times. I'll put a card on screen showing you how I've done that, or you can also do this just using one and not having to repeat it too. And here's another card doing that sort of way as well. And then to finish this off, doing a second card and turning your chipboard elements into beautiful embellishments, I actually added a little bit of Gilded Avocado Opal Blaze polish onto them to give them a really beautiful sparkly effect, and then used my clear sticky ink dauber to add ultra thick embossing powder over them to give them like an enamelled finish. And then I've just got a scattering of sequins on both the cards as well. And for the sentiments, I've used this fantastic set from Polkadoodles that's called All Occasion Stamps, and then you also have the coordinating set of dies to go with these as well. They're designed so that you stamp these words inside the balloons, and that looks absolutely fabulous. But there's these larger sentiments here, Celebrate and Happy Birthday, that have coordinating dies to cut them out, and I thought they would work perfectly on these 2 cards. And I've also added under the word Celebrate, It's Your Birthday, to kind of finish off that sentiment with a Dymo label as well. And you can see in this set of flowers chipboard, you've got all of these beautiful designs to pick from that you could create these effects with. So hope you like the look of these cards. Enjoy the rest of the video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!